Hi, I'm Russell Martin with Delta Power. I'm here at the Exeter branch. And today I want to show you the Case N Series tractor backhoe. So today we have here the Case 580 Super N. Case has been a real innovator in the tractor backhoe marketplace. They were the first to integrate the loader and the backhoe all into one componentized frame. So Case N Series is the only backhoe to have an over-center boom. Shifting the boom weight forward gives better center of gravity, allowing for a shorter wheelbase, resulting into shortening turning radiuses, best in its weight class. This bucket linkage is unique to Case. It's got a 2-pin system that gives us better rollback and curl. Here we've got an integrated coupler system. You can get that both hydraulic and mechanical. Tractor backhoes are true tool carriers. A quick coupler on the backhoe buckets, auxiliary hydraulics 1 and 2-way. The machine comes thumb ready. The 4-wheel drive for all terrain. The front loader bucket has a quick coupler and auxiliary hydraulics. With automatic transmission, ride control, pilot controls, excellent sight lines, quiet cam, it all makes this machine an absolute pleasure to operate. So contact us today and we'll get you into a new Case 580 Super N.